This is a quick tutorial on how to use Skype in the studio for interviews. This could be done in any studio, and it could also be done live on the air in the control room, and it could be a great alternative to a regular phone interview. It can often sound quite a bit better, but that does depend on your guest's network connection and their setup. If your guest is on a smartphone using the Skype app, it's likely to sound pretty good. If they are on a home computer using Skype, you'll just want to make sure that they are using some kind of dedicated microphone or headset. And even at that, some of those consumer level headsets don't always sound that great. So that's something to just be aware of. But often Skype does sound very good, and it's certainly something that's available to try. First thing you want to do is click on the Skype icon in the dock. Now, if you're already a Skype user, you can go ahead and use your personal account if you wish. Just be sure to log out when you're done. But in this case, I'm going to sign in using the KUNM Skype user, and that is Skype at kunm.org. And the password is case sensitive. It's capital R radio, capital KUNM 899. And then if it walks you through some of this stuff, you can just skip past it. And there we are, we're logged in. If you happen to come into the studio and somebody else is logged in here, you can see on the upper left-hand corner of the window who the current user is, and it should be KUNM Studio. If you see somebody else's name there, just go ahead and sign out, and then go through the login process with the KUNM Studio user. But typically when you come in the studio, the KUNM user ought to be logged in most of the time. And so from here, you're going to need your guest's Skype name. So they're going to have a username associated with their Skype account. If they don't have a Skype account, they're going to have to set one up. So I'm just going to search for myself here. And here I am. And then you just click this little phone icon in the upper right hand corner to place the call. And I can see Skype ringing on my phone. And I answer the call. And that's basically it. You bring up the computer fader. And from there on, you treat it exactly like a regular phone interview. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Production@kunm.org. Thanks.